minutes per match. And if it's 1-1, we're going to play sudden death. Let's see what tactics these guys are going to be using. Okay, that's a good tactic. Alex taking that first point. That's another beauty from Alex.
2-0.
Okay, around that from Elkanah. It is still possible for Pegasus. We're a fans from Team Minotaur. Fans from Pegasus. Make sure to support your team. It's all about the prestige. And everything and anything still possible. 1 minute and 10 seconds left on the clock. Oh wow. Volleys are almost getting there. 50 seconds left, double trouble. It is first doubles competition. Great rally. A little bit of red for Team Minotaur.
Out 6-3. Minotaur.
The last 6 seconds, everybody.
First team to 8 wins the match.
So whoever gets up to 8 points wins this match. It's still not over for Pegasus. Pegasus closing that gap. And that's out.
7-0. Deciding point.
We have a deciding point, everybody. Who's for Minotaur? Who believes in Pegasus? Let them hear you!
Out! Match complete. Pegasus wins 8-7.
Can you believe it? Pegasus with a very important win. But of course that was only the first of 2 doubles.
Second double trouble.
We're gonna need a countdown to start. So everybody, do me a favor and count with me. 5, 4. 3 minutes here at Double Trouble. Three points to be collected for the team.
1-0, beautiful. One off.
And that's a beauty.
Pegasus.
Bruno keeps collecting points after points for his team.
Out. 3-2 Pegasus.
Doubles on a single court, that's something you only see at UTS. Oh, that's perfectly placed.
4-2 Pegasus. For 3 Pegasus.
Really 1 point game.
5-3 Pegasus.
Come on, give the young man a cheer. Thank you so much for getting that ball for us. That would have been a magical shot. Just 1 point between those two teams.
Odds.
Still not happy with that one.
Odds. 7-4 Pegasus.
Look at Pegasus go.
Odds. 7-5. Oh no! Pegasus.
Very last 5 seconds to play.
Odds. 9-4 Pegasus. Time is over. 1 point. 13-10.
And that's
Match
it.
complete, Pegasus.
Pegasus taking that important win in the third